the COVID pandemic has really graphically illustrated to us what complex, wicked, systemic problems look like. For those of us who come from the Greater Toronto area, this is an example that will resonate. If you are earning less than $30,000 today in Greater Toronto, it's very likely that you are not working remotely out of home. It's much more likely that you are in a factory or an institution or on the roads, and you're taking public transport, and that makes you 5 times more likely to be affected by COVID, according to the excellent Toronto Vital Signs report. You're likely living in a multi-generational home, and you're really worried about going out and bringing disease back and infecting your parents. But you can't move because you can't get on a social housing wait list, which has increased 68% in the last 2 years. And you definitely don't want to lose your home or land up in the shelter system, which is operating at 100% capacity. So you do go and line up the food bank, which has seen double the number of users in the last year. And you're stuck between feeding your kids and your family and making your rent, which has grown twice as fast as income. It's not surprising that you're anxious, you're depressed, and you're not functioning at your best. That's what complex systemic problems look like. The combination of housing systems and food systems and health systems all not functioning well together. So we don't know what the solutions to those problems are, but one thing that we do know, it's not going to be solved by Doug or by Justin or by John Tory on their own. It's also not going to be solved by entrepreneurs acting on their own or leaving it to the market or letting all the great nonprofits who are also stressed out figure it out for themselves. When you look at these mega trends with a platform and with orchestration, we can bring collaboratives of passionate social entrepreneurs together with impact capital from purpose-driven investors. We can bring the best in scalable technologies for good and the disciplines of impact innovation, and we can bring them together with the problems that must be solved. That's the Kaliga recipe.